Once upon a time, in a bustling city, lived 10 little puppies. They were always up to some adventure and loved to play together. One sunny day, they found a notice on the street. "Wanted, Dalmatian puppies for a new home," it read. The tiny dogs were puzzled, as they were purebred Dalmatians. Curious, they decided to visit the address mentioned on the notice. As they approached, they saw a tall, strange woman with a black and white fur coat. "Cruella De Vil," they heard someone whisper. "Hello there, little puppies," Cruella said, smiling wickedly. "I've been looking for dogs like you. You see, I need spots for my new fur coat." The puppies were scared but determined not to let Cruella harm them. "We may be small," Pongo, the eldest, said bravely, "but we're not afraid of you." Cruella laughed and tried to capture them, but the puppies were clever. They ran through the city, jumping over barriers, dodging cars, and sneaking through alleys. Their adventure led them to a kind old lady, who took them in and helped them escape from Cruella. The old lady loved the puppies and promised to find them a forever home. That night, the little puppies snuggled together, safe and sound. They looked up at the stars, grateful for their adventure and their new friend. From then on, the puppies lived happily, never forgetting the danger they had faced. They knew that even though they were small, they could always overcome fear and find the strength to protect themselves and their friends. The end.